Hello friends, today I'll show you how you can export from Twitter the tweets on defined subject and you can export them in Excel. From there it's easy, you can just upload in SQL if you want to have a database in SQL, or you can upload them straight away in Power BI and analyze them. But the most important for this tutorial is let's start to get the tweets from Twitter exported in Excel by creating Microsoft Flow.
Okay, now let's start to get those tweets from Twitter on an Excel file. So the first thing what we will do is we will get this Microsoft Flow. It's already created. You go in templates in Power Automate, you get this save tweets about a topic in Excel. Obviously this will connect automatically to your accounts and you create a flow. So for example, let's say I would like to get, as you can see I did some testing here, we have already 200 tweets. I think I exported already about a subject which is very popular today on Twitter. I'll get COVID-19. So this is our subject, Twitter search text. It's asking in Excel online business. So you have to have an Excel file created in OneDrive. So I'll select here OneDrive. I'll go here. I have this folder created, was for something else, but I just put it in there. You create another, whatever folder you want, and I have this bulk file, is this one from here. So we should see here a new tweet there. And obviously it's asking you to get the table. So I created inside in this, you can see when I select is table 1. So I'll select here table 1. So create a flow. Okay, perfect. We have the flow. We do a test now. Let's say we want to test it to see how this works. Okay. We wait a second. You see the flow is running and we go run failed. Okay. Let's see what is the, oh yeah. So the problem is this passed, so we can see that the green icon there is showing that this passed, so it's okay. Here we have a problem. I forgot to do something. I forgot to match the whatever I want to get from Twitter in my table. So for example, Twitter. I already created in the table, you can see here Twitter. Twitter by, original tweet text, location, username, Twitter ID, profile, and followers. All those needs to be meshed, otherwise you'll get an error. So first you go here and Twitter text, that will be the first one. Twitter by, you'll find here. So you select original tweet text, you go to one which is around original, yeah, location, and you match all those. It's pretty simple, it's not difficult. You don't need to know, like, I know programming and stuff like that. So this is very easy. Username, Twitter ID, it should be somewhere there, tweet ID. I think this is it, if it's that one. Okay, and after that this is, maybe I'll do it this way. I'll do it this way. File, we get profile image URL, and after that the followers. Got. Okay, that's it. We save it now, and let's give it a try. This time should be okay. We should not get any errors, but it's good we got that error because you see now your flow ran successfully. So let's go in here and let's look. It looked, look. So I was wrapped the text up to 207, and now we have all the tweets posted now. What I'll do always, I'm just wrapping the text because I wanted to.
As you saw, friends, it's very easy to get all the tweets, and you can apply that on Facebook, you can apply on Instagram, you can apply wherever you want to do. And it's easy to get in Excel. From Excel, you can upload it in Power BI, you can upload it in SQL. It's very easy. I'll make another tutorial there, so stay tuned. Please subscribe and add your comments. Please let me know what you want to see from myself, what tutorials you want me to create for you. As you can see, I have a lot of friends asking me, is that very difficult? Do I need to know maths? Do I need to know programming? And I said to them, no, it's very easy. Programming those days is very easy. So if you start now, probably in half year, you'll be the best in those kind of stuff like Power Automate and stuff like that, Power Apps, Power BI and stuff like that, whatever you want to choose. So please subscribe and let me know if you want more tutorials like that. Thank you.